Enabling family sharing on 1Password families allows you to share passwords and other sensitive information securely with your family members. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Create a 1Password Families account. Before changing your settings, use the @com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Invite family members. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the Invite Family Members section. Enter the email addresses of the family members you wish to invite and send them invitations. They will need to accept the invitation to join your family account. Step 3. Set up family vaults. After your family members have accepted the invitation, you can create shared vaults for everyone. Go to the Vaults section and select New Vault. Name the vault and choose which family members will have access to it. Step 4. Organize shared items. Add passwords, documents, and other items to the shared vaults. You can do this by selecting the vault and clicking on Add Item. Choose the type of item you want to share and fill in the necessary details. Step 5. Manage permissions. Review and manage the permissions for each family member. You can adjust who has access to specific vaults and items by going to the vault settings and selecting the appropriate options for each member. By following these steps, you can successfully enable family sharing on 1Password families and ensure that your family's sensitive information is securely shared. Enjoy the convenience and security of managing your passwords together.